I've been trying to find something simple to help clean up the peach fuzz on my face and shape my eyebrows at home, so I wanted to try this reusable facial razor and show you exactly how it works. The razor comes with a metal handle which feels sturdy in hand, along with extra replacement blades and a pouch to keep everything stored together. The handle has a bit of weight to it, so it feels more controlled compared to lighter disposable options. Before using it, I am starting with clean, dry skin so you can see the difference. To use it, I'm holding the razor at about 45-degree angle and using short, gentle downward strokes. The blade is designed for precision, so it works well for areas like the eyebrows, upper lip, and along the cheeks. As I'm using it, you can see it removing fine hairs while also smoothing the surface of the skin. It doesn't feel overly harsh, which makes it more comfortable to use, especially on more sensitive areas of the face. The size of the razor also makes it easy to control, so you can be more precise when shaping or cleaning up smaller areas. After finishing, the skin looks smoother and more even, especially in areas where there is visible peach fuzz. It's also simple to clean, and you can rinse the blade or wipe it down after use. Now I'm going to show you how to change the blade since it's a reusable tool. The blade slides off easily from the handle, so you can replace it with one of the extra blades that comes in the set. Once the new blade is in place, it locks in securely and is ready to use again. This makes it easy to maintain over time without needing to replace the entire razor. And here's a look at the before and after so you can see the difference in how the skin looks after using it. Overall, it's a simple tool to keep up with small touch-ups at home in a reusable design to make it easy to keep using over time.